All right, good morning, everyone. I hope you guys had a great weekend. Zoom Nation, I hope you guys are all doing well. Let's get started. Professor, your PowerPoint isn't in presenter mode. Why can't I get this video to play?
Okay, so what's wrong with this dog? Can you see my pointer? Can you see it now? Does the ceiling normally do that?
Oh, time's up already. We're 3 minutes over. Okay, take a break. Come back at 2 o'clock. God, I stayed up until 3 a.m. last night.
It's freezing in here. Only 49 more days of the semester.
Thank God there's happy hour tonight.